Buenos días, clase. Let's start a new lesson here. This is how to tell time in Spanish. At the top of your paper, you're going to put ¿Qué hora es? ¿Qué hora es? Which literally means what? What hour is it? Oh, we don't talk like that in English. What do we say? What time is it? We will always use either, let me put it this way, for the 1 o'clock hour and anything related to 1 o'clock, we're going to say es la. Okay? For anything related to the 1 o'clock, remember that. Okay? Anything related to 1 o'clock, we're going to say es la. Because 1 o'clock is singular, es la. Everything else from 2 o'clock on to 12, right? We're going to say son las. Okay? Anything related to 1 o'clock, es la. Everything else, we're going to say son las. Okay? So if I ask you the time and it's anything other than 1, you're going to start off with son las. Every time. Got it? ¿Sí? ¿Está bien? Muy bien. Gracie, ¿qué hora es?
Es la una.
Es la una. What can you say? Es la una. En punto means on the dot. En punto means on the dot. En punto means on the dot. ¿Sí? Muy bien. Okay. Keegan, ¿qué hora es?
Son las. No. Right. Es la una.
En inglés.
It would be 1:10.
1:10. Okay. En español, we have to say, tenemos que decir y. Okay. So everything on this side of the clock, all the way to 29, all the way to 29, well, all the way to 30, right? We're going to say y. In Spanish, we add. We add 5 minutes, add 10 minutes, add 15 minutes, right? And when we add with the time, we say y. Okay? So we go from 1 o'clock to 1:10, we added 10, right? We say y 10. Everybody remembers their numbers 1 through 60? Okay, 1 through 59?
Oh, wait, now I got it. Okay.
Okay. Riley, ¿qué hora es?
Son las 2:15.
Cuarto.
Cuarto.
En español, cuarto, what is that in English? Quarter. We can say y 15. You need to know both. But typically, right, what we teach is y cuarto. right? It's 2 1/4, right? 2 1/4, and 2 1/4. 2 1/4. We can't say 2 15. Okay? Muy bien? Oops. Livia, ¿qué hora es?
Son las y
Okay.
cuatro en punto on the dot, right?
When the long hand is on the 12, that's on the dot.
I don't know how to read clocks.
You don't know how to say what?
I don't know how to read clocks.
You don't know how to read clocks?
No.
You're gonna have to learn for Spanish, okay? Okay, let me put it this way. See if that's easier. Okay. This is what we do. First thing we say is the hour. Second thing we say is and. Let me put this to hora. And the third thing we say are the outside. Let me put it this way. Inside and outside. ¿Qué horas son, Lydia? ¿Qué hora es?
Hora y
Hour?
isn't that what you said to say? The first you say
The inside number. What's the inside number?
3.
Okay, how do you say that in Spanish?
Tres.
Okay, now say the time.
Tres y cuatro.
Sí. Okay, so you would say son las 3:15. Son las 3:15. Okay. Emily, ¿qué hora es?
Son las 3:25.
Sí, 25. So, y 5, y 10, y cuarto, y 20, y 25 are all what? What are those? Your what? Your minutes. Those are your minutes. Okay. So it's the inside number first, which is the hour, right? Then E, then your minutes. See? Muy bien. Do that. Roberto Marquardt. ¿Qué hora es?
Son las 6:30.
What is that in English?
30? No.
It's 6:30, right? We say y media for the half, right? Y media, it's 6.5, right? We say y media, which means 6:30. Who? See? Fácil. Fácil? See? Vicente, ¿qué hora es? Son las 4, muy bien. And we write that. When we take a test, you're going to write son las, and you need to know your numbers. And he said, 4, son las 4. I want you to notice something really quick. Look at the ATR, 4, and look at this ATR. Okay, cuarto. Okay, you're gonna have to really think about this. You're gonna have to really think about it. Okay, because if you spell it cuarto on the test, you're saying the hour and then the quarter hour. You gotta be really careful with it. Son las 4 y qué? Y 23. All of this, 23. Remember that 23 has an accent. Acento. We got it? Right?
Wait.
20, 21, 22, 23.
Oh, it doesn't
Is that why you taught us till the 30?
For the 30, we're gonna say y media. If you wanted to say son las 6:30, that's understood. That's understood. What would y'all say at home? 6:30 or 6:30?
6:30.
Y media. Now, do y'all say cuarto o 15? 15? Y'all say 15? Yeah. Keegan, what was confusing?
No, I was just confused about like, now it's, like it clicked in my head, but like, whenever it was on a specific like minute, I was thinking like, that's like, how would you do that? But then you just say,
In the minute.
E something, and then yeah.
Okay.
I don't know what's.
Okay, Keegan?
Wait, okay. Okay, cinco.
Start off with?
Oh, son las 5 y 25. Wait, no, and would I change that? No.
The minute. What is the minute in English?
It'd be 28. I mean, no, yeah, 28.
28 or 29?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna count off for, Okay, so what would it be?
Would it be,
You said E already. Now you have to say either 28 or 29, whatever you think it is.
okay, so it'd be, 28. Okay, I would change that now. Now I'm looking back on it, I can get it now.
What were
You
gonna do?
understand?
Add 3 to 25.
I think you have an extra line in between the 5 and the 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6.
There's
There's
6.
6 lines.
There's a
to it.
6th line.
There's 5.
That one?
Yeah, there you go.
Because this is the minute, the 30, right? Okay.
You're like the
Muy bien. Okay, now we have to learn this. In the morning. In the morning. And what will we say, Raúl, in the morning? En la mañana. Okay, we got it? So let's say I give you a digital time. I because that's all that Lydia can read. If I'm gonna send out a remind, like I did this morning, okay? Dale.
Do I say it?
En español, ¿qué hora es?
Son las 5 y...
Let me change this. I'm sorry. Let me change this to that.
Son las 5 y cuarto en la mañana.
Excelente, excelente. Son las 5:15 en la mañana. Muy bien. Okay. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, now, let me get a different color here. Now, let's do, oh my goodness, this side of the clock. Okay? I hope I have a better red. One of these is bound to be a better red. Not much better. If that side, Roberto, is plus, then this side of the clock is minus, right? I will teach you both ways. You have to know both ways. You can say, son las 3:15, or son las 3:15, right? Now over here, okay, let's first look at Avery. ¿Qué hora es?
Son las 7 en punto.
Sí, son las 7 en punto. ¿Sí? Son las 7 en punto. Son las 7 en punto. Ok, muy bien. Alden, ¿qué hora es?
Son las 7:15.
Muy bien, son las 7:15. ¿Todo bien? Ok. Pedro, ¿qué hora es? Sí, son las 7:30, which is what in English? 7:30, right? Son las 7:30, okay? We've gone from 7 o'clock to 7:15 to 7:30. Okay, now, we're still stuck on the 7. But the long hand is going towards the next hour, which is what? 8, right? So we went from 7 o'clock to 7:15 to 7:30. Now, it is 7:45. Now it's 7:45, okay? And what we do here is you round up, okay, to the next hour. You round up to the next hour, which is going to be what?
8.
Yes. And we would say, son las 8, right? But then we have to subtract. however many minutes it is to 8 o'clock. Okay? Right? Jasmine, how many minutes until 8 o'clock? C. So we would say son las, round up 7:45 to 8 o'clock, son las 8, and we have to write it out. Son las 8 menos cuarto. Menos cuarto. Okay? Son las 8 menos cuarto. We got it? Okay?
Wait, so wouldn't that one down there be wrong? Because it would be,
Wouldn't what down where be wrong?
it'd
Yeah,
be
the round up
750.
down there.
You round up and then subtract.
It'd be son las
Ocho.
8 menos 10 down there. And
Okay, so let's change the clock here. Let's change this time. So that I can get to it. Okay, so we're getting closer to the 8 o'clock, right? Okay. Wait. ¿Qué hora es?
Son las 7, 8.
Son las 8. We're gonna write that. Son las 8
Menos 10.
menos 10. Okay?
Wait, what about
I'm getting there. I'm trying, and the bell's gonna ring. Okay? So we have in the morning, we have in the afternoon, and we have at night. Is that how we say it in English? 8 o'clock at night? Because we'll say it's 4 in the afternoon. We'll say it's 3 in the morning. How about 8 o'clock? We say at night, right? So in the afternoon,
Exactly.
in the afternoon is en la tarde, okay? And son las 9, and we say de la noche. En la noche, y'all say en la noche? Or de la noche? En la noche? Okay, you can either use de la noche, de la mañana, de la tarde, or en la. Okay? Muy bien.